So hey guys, today's foundation we're doing a wear test on is the Dior Forever Skin Glow 24-Hour Radiant Foundation. I'm excited to wear this, try it, because I've been wanting to try this since it came out. And why can't I open anything today? I've been wanting to try this since it came out, but before I was too pale. Like, this color is the lightest shade. It's the Zero Neutral, and it was too dark for me previously, but it seems to be a decent color right now because I've been in the sun a little bit. I've left my coffee. So we're gonna do half brush, half sponge. This is like a very runny color. I feel like maybe I could have went a shade up, but maybe it oxidizes. We'll see. On this side, I'm gonna use my Sigma F80 flat top kabuki. And yeah, let's do it. Ooh, I like the finish on this. I think it's like a perfect match right now. Oh crap, look at that. I think I like this a lot. Ooh, it's looking like it's getting a little darker. I think we're even. Let's do the other half for the sponge. I have my Real Techniques sponge, and that's what we gonna put it on this side and see if the coverage is different. But that's a lot on my nose. Let's put some more on my rosy cheeks. Okay, so let me assess the situation. I think the finish on each side is like equally pretty. This is a medium coverage anyway, so it's not like it's gonna be like a full coverage with a brush would make a difference. I don't really feel like the brush made a difference. I don't know. Let me get closer so you guys can see. So this is the side. I use the kabuki brush, and this is the side. I use the sponge. What do you guys think? Well, since this is just a foundation review and not a full tutorial, I'm gonna do the rest of my makeup. We'll be back, and I will check in a couple times just to see how it wears and stuff, you know, let you guys know. So currently right now it is 4:34 and I need to be up until 12:30. So that's at least what, 8 hours, because I have this wonderful cyst on my neck I need to take antibiotics every 6 hours for currently, so I don't die and go septic before I graduate with my RN. So I'll be up. We're gonna call it an 8-hour wear test. All right, that's what we doing today. So I'll see you in a little bit. So we're going to use the last two products in the IPSY. Ugh, my eyes is burning. The IPSY box. Why is my phone doing that? We're gonna use the last two products in the IPSY box. So this is the liquid lip that came with the eyeshadow palette as an add-on for the bundle. This is in the shade Bittersweet, and this is the Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick. It's like a cute neutral brown. I already lined my lips. Hopefully this works out together. And with the ColourPop lippy pencil from the big box of lippy pencils. I don't know what the shade is. They don't have shades on there. Oh yeah, this is way darker. That's okay. I'll just like, I'll just reline my lips with this. I should have just drew a line down the middle there. Oops. Okay. Ooh. This is a train wreck. While that dries, I'm going to put a little bit of gloss in the middle to plump them up. And this is that Nature's Cartel gloss that came in the box. I don't know why I'm holding it like that. You've seen it already. So I just put gloss in the middle because it makes your lips look bigger like that and juicy. So yeah, just dab it in the middle. And smooth it out a little bit. I think that's cute. So this is the finished look. So this is how the makeup looks outside. Ooh, the sun is burning my eyes. So right now the time is 8:17. So this is my first check-in for the foundation. And it's looking pretty good. I went to the store and I had to wear a mask, but it didn't take anything off. It just like messed with the lipstick a little bit. So I will see you guys again at midnight. Hello guys, this is the last and final check-in. The time is, I was really trying to hold out till midnight, but I'm tired. I'm old. It's 11:24. So, ooh, we've had this foundation on. I can't breathe, I'm fat. I ate so much steak, it's in my diaphragm right now. 7 hours. Yeah, 7 hours currently. This is what we're working with. Let me get close so you can see. It's still intact. Oh, my lips is crusty. But it's still like, it still looks like when I first put it on. And this is after 7 hours. And I'm really oily and it hasn't broken down anywhere. I think this foundation is a 10 out of 10. What you think, Coco? And that's what Coco giving me kisses. I still got makeup left on my face. So yeah, I mean, my lips would have stayed on if I wasn't a fat girl and a steak and yuca, so. Well, I think this worked out well. What do you think, Kogi? Mommy looks pretty. Oh, it's your baby. So yeah guys, thanks for watching. Bye. Coco's not amused. Until I see you again, whenever that is. I can't wait to take these damn contacts out. My eyes is drier than the Sahara Desert.